Hello. Uh, so I don't know how to edit yet, and I wanted to do a trading video. So first of all, I just wanted to get rid of the bow and arrow that I have. I just want to give it away. So I'm gonna host a giveaway for it. Just enter your username in the comments below. Sorry, I sound sick though, but. Enter your username in the comments below. I'll check the video when I can. And if you find me online, maybe you could jag me if you enter the giveaway. So what you can jag me is, well, you can jag me. Just jag me. I'm ready. And then to know, put this sticker. Just jag me this when I'm online, and you enter the giveaway to earn it. I'm sorry if you're a non-member and you can't type that. If you're a non-member and you can't type that, how do I say this? Just say LOL. Well, TTYL. Thank you very much. Well, I didn't mean TTYL. But, yeah. So, that's nice. And credit to my friend Limeys. Go check her out. It's Limees if you don't know how to spell it. So I don't know how to edit in my videos yet, so this is just gonna be a video that's really short. Sorry if you want a longer video, but that might be it. So bye.